There's a place far beyond the city lights and restless noise,
far beyond hurried hearts,
where the mountains breathe slowly and the soul
finally remembers itself.
We followed the rivers through sleeping valleys, through cold morning fog and trembling pine trees, boots full of dust, hands smelling like smoke and rain.
And somewhere between the silence,
we became alive
again.
The forest was humming, humming softly like it knew our names,
like it waited for us all this time.
And the wind said, slow
down,
slow
down.
you are home now,
Where the wild rivers run,
where the tall trees sway,
where the night sky opens wide.
that's where my soul can stay.
Stay,
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 stay a little longer,
where the fire crackles low, where the cold air glows,
where the mountains hold the stars.